Y'all watching the State of the Union? Neither am I. Enjoy the suction. I'm gonna come down and dump this out and talk with y'all. Real quick shout out to Vacuum. What is his name? Lord have mercy. Vacuum Master 1991. I sure appreciate those big mess tests you're doing. Those are everything. Y'all give him a shout out. Give him a look. So that's from my bedroom and the lounge. Y'all, the vacuum community is growing. And I appreciate that. Ooh, that filter is ridiculous. I gotta get a new one. And or wash it. I don't know. We're gonna see. But, y'all like them nails. Shout out to all the nails out there in the vacuum universe. Yes, I see y'all. I see y'all with y'all claws done. I hear you. Alright, so we're going to use this turbo brush to get this up. Let me set this up here for you. Congratulations to... Oh, what is her name? Oh, why do I do this to myself? Oh, the one that does the carpet. Oh, she got 500 subscribers. Bless her heart. Oh, what is her name? Y'all, you know who I'm talking about. The one that got to take her kids to school and stuff. Shout her out. What is your name? And I watch Ange G. I'm so sorry, girl. Big Ange. I'm so sorry. Congratulations on your 500 subscribers. That is truly monumental. All right, let's get this up with this turbo brush that I never use, only on the couch. Also, shout out to my old school vacuum enthusiast, Natural Dirt Queen. I see you, lady. Vacuum test. How's school going? You better have all A's. And I meant that. We're going to do that one more time. Vacuum Maniac. I see you, girl. I'm gonna be real honest. I appreciate everything that you do. You are truly a vacuum enthusiast. Because I'll be honest, I couldn't do the mess test that you do. So I'm glad you're here to do it for everyone else. Code 1996. What is the deal? I see you. Y'all to keep up the videos. Oh, did I leave a spot? Y'all, for real though, I'm gonna have to carpet clean on everything. On God, I'm gonna have to carpet clean. Well, I hope that y'all have truly enjoyed the suction. I enjoy making these videos. I just need to get more energy to do videos. So, because sometimes I get caught up in my job and I don't feel like doing it. But it is what it is. Ooh, y'all look at this. This thing got clawed. Look at that. Hold on, let's see. Ooh, Oh no. Okay, well, hold on, let's see. Oh no! Y'all see I'm bored tonight. I'm over here playing my vacuum. But hopefully I want to get a new vacuum soon. I think I'm gonna try out the Goodwill and or buy a Shark. I'm really interested in the Shark being that I have a lot of hardwood floors now. But I just want to come and talk to y'all, and I got bored with State of the Union address, and hope y'all enjoy the suction. See y'all next time.